Okay, so as I said, this video is going to be on the amides, which is part of the amines topic. This is going to be a short introduction, and so here we go. The amide functional group, is RCONH2. It's exactly the same structure as all the other carbonyls we've pretty much done by now. So RCONH2. Okay, so once you've got that, let me just get back to there. Cool. So to name these, we simply just add the suffix amide. So for example, if we had a methyl group, it would be methanamide. So in addition to this, we can also get N-substituted amides, and these are basically just normal amides where one of the hydrogen atoms from the amine group, which is the NH2 group, is substituted for an alkyl group. So in the last video we discussed all about the amines and how basically that's where the hydrogens from the ammonia molecule are substituted for a different functional group. This is kind of mixing in our amide knowledge with our amine knowledge. So for example here, in black we've got our amide group, but then imagine if we took off this here and just had a hydrogen. What would that be? That would be an amine, and it'd be a primary amine, and if we named that, it'd be methylamine. However, because we have an amide here, this is known as an N-substituted amide. So to name this, we would use the prefix N, which I wrote here. Oh, I wrote it up here and I didn't even realise for a second. Then we would follow this with the alkyl group, which is this alkyl group here, and it's always going to be the alkyl group attached to the nitrogen. So if this was a propyl, this part here would be propyl, but it's a methyl group, so it's N-methyl, and then we name the amide. So here it's ethanamide. So the total name of this is N-methyl ethanamide. So doing my usual of highlighting and speaking, to name these we use the prefix N followed by the alkyl group with the amide mentioned last. And that's it for the amides.